Hello everybody, I present to you in a video offline the second document of work package 5. It's a technical guideline, and I begin my presentation with a short slide about the work package 5 approach to tell to you that the technical guideline is directly issued from the work of on the state of art, and this document is it's very important because the main goal of technical guideline is to improve and understanding the standard and technical solution discussed in state of art, and to adapt this technical aspect to the Homer project and to the portal of Homer project and for Homer partners. This technical guideline provides to Homer partner the recommendation to develop their open data solution portal, and this recommendation permit the interoperability between the portal from Homer project, but it's a prefiguration of interoperability between all the portals in the world. The methodology to make this technical guideline is to identification of main theme for the recommendation. It's this collect of recommendation is based on an approach named OPCAST, and with the methodology developed by OPCAST, we have adapted this methodology to the context of Homer project. And with this OPCAST methodology, we have identified 115 recommendations, and the technical guideline identify for each recommendation if the recommendation is essential or must be implemented or optional for data portal specification on Homer project. The technical guideline is delivered in version 1.1. This version 1.1 is the first final version of a technical guideline, and like the state of art, the work is not ended with this final version, but the work is to end at the end of the Homer project. The technical guideline summary can identify 8 main chapters, and each main chapter is organized on the model of open data architecture who have been defined on state of art. When you read a chapter, you can find some template to describe each recommendation about each piece of model architecture. This template, it's a description of each recommendation on a code, a title, a level of recommendation, and this level include 3 parts: must, should, may, the related reference, rule and standards, comments, and partner feedback. On this slide, you can see the structure of recommendation on technical guideline, and you can see if a recommendation is essential for the portal, it's recommended for a portal, should, and if optional for a portal, the may option. It's very important to consider the requirement level for recommendation, because during the elaboration of technical guideline, there is a most interactive relation between Corsica and each partner to define the level of recommendation or to identify a new recommendation. And this interactive and discussion, permanent discussion with a partner is essential to guarantee the technical guideline compatible with all partner and all appreciation and work of partner on the technical aspect of open data portal. If you consider the operational aspect of Work Package 5, you can see the case study of Open Data Corsica. The deployment of Open Data Corsica portal is based on specification and recommendation of technical guideline. And with this level of recommendation, it's possible to benchmark the Corsica portal with technical guideline and to define the level of compatibility and interoperability for the Corsica portal. And it's a very key point of this approach is a possibility to benchmark a portal and to define the level of this portal, of compatibility of this portal with each partner and over the partner of Omer with other partner in the world. If you can see the case study of Open Data Corsica, there is some difficulty, and the benchmark identify some difficulty to access to the level of recommendation of technical guideline. The first difficulty is to formatting the dataset, in-house dataset, to make them machine readable. It's the first difficulty to make a good open data dataset in the portal. The identification of metadata template for Decat indexation and Inspire normalization, it's a difficulty important difficulty, and you can see the more discussion about this, and to define metadata compatible with all partner OMER. The multi-language management in Open Data platform is an important problem, and EUROVOC is a potential solution. The dataset license choice, it's another problem on the platform to make a compatibility with license to match the dataset on Hackathon, for example, and the interoperability with CSC index and federated index, it's another problem detected with a case study of Open Data of Corsica. Thank you for your listening, and I hope you have some question, and I can respond for your question with Skype. Excuse me and sorry for my intervention in offline video. Thank you.